Welcome back to this class. Now for this class we're going to see KPI. I think I've already explained KPI. So let's know what KPI means. What's KPI? KPI simply means the key performance indicator. So this is, instead of wasting your time to you can, in fact, that's the first thing you see once you look at the dashboard. So let's just move straight to the dashboard and see what we mean by KPIs. So I'll use the same test card test and the card that I used before, right? So that's simply what KPI is. You can decide to use the card one after the other, but then like we said earlier, no, I don't like it. So I'm going to use this card new to create my KPI. When by the time we are okay, let me just show you our dashboard and see. So these are our KPIs, as you can see. These are KPIs. All right, so that's simply what the KPI is. You already know how to calculate this guy as we did before. So that is it. That is our KPI. I will see you in the next class. Cheers.